Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery in a Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a 2019 key fob. Now every Santa Fe actually uses the same battery, so you may have a fob that looks a little bit different than this, but this is the flip key version. To get access to the battery compartment, there's two small indentations underneath the flip key here. So flip open the key, and you'll see an indentation right at the base here. And if you take a small flathead screwdriver, you can put it in the indentation there and just pry a little bit, and then make sure at the bottom down here, same thing, there's another small indentation. Put your flathead screwdriver in there, and you'll be able to pop off. You have to pry it a little bit. Be careful not to break the back like I did, and by just pushing on one side. So make sure you get both indentations here. You'll be able to pop off this back and get access to the area where we'll need to take a small Phillips screwdriver. If you have a little precision screwdriver kit like this, it's really handy for changing these small Phillips screws in here. So just loosen these two little Phillips screws here to get access to the battery itself in the fob here. So we'll loosen those guys up. And there's a little base here that kind of pops off and get you access to the CR2032 battery. Now to get this out, this can be a little tricky. The way that I was able to do it is to kind of pull the battery one way with your finger and take a small flathead and get just underneath the battery just enough to be able to pop it out. And there you go. Then you can put in a fresh 2032. Make sure this positive side with the lettering is facing up. That'll slide right in there. Put the backing, put the base notch back there, and then kind of press down there and tighten up the little Phillips screws. And that's it. That's how you change the CR2032 battery on a Hyundai Santa Fe. And the backing itself will just pop back into place here. Boom, there you go. That's how you change the battery on 2019. This is the Hyundai flip key. And again, most Hyundai models take a 2032 battery, so I'll link to that here.